I don't understand when piano tuners work like this. So usually this leather here should be... Hello, I'm here in a school and they have a piano with some pedal problem and I have to find out what it is. And yeah, this piano is some Samick piano from South Korea, and I have been opening this piano and was checking if I use the pedal, and on the way back up with the pedal you have this sound here. And I was checking here under that the pedals are completely out of order here. I have to check what is happening and what I can do. Okay, I think I know what to do, but we see how it's gonna work on what I can do. Oh. So this here, when I put the pedal, this is going to right on this here inside. Maybe I have to put some felt under, I don't know. But I try to find out what I can do. Always something new. I have never been coming to piano and everything here are inside the things. Maybe I can use this here under the pedal, down under, and maybe the click is going off. I don't know. I have to find out. We see what I can do. This here is not doing nothing if it's on the top. It has to be here under. Always something new to fix. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Maybe I have to put it like this here so you can see what I'm fixing here. But I'm not tuning this piano regularly, but I met the teacher yesterday and she asked me about if I can fix the pedals. And I said, yeah, maybe I can do it. So usually this leather here should be under, not on the top here, because it's moving here inside. Then I have to put the leather here under and we find out how it's going to work. Here we are. Everything out of order here. I have to put it into a right position on the top here, the pedals here. Has been fixed with some bolts and it's not fitting well and making noise and not the best. Here is making noise. I don't understand when piano tuners work like this. Og daginn. Nei, ég bara lagði hennar pedal. Ég alveg að vera búinn, sko. Ha. Svo Guðrún verði ekki alveg brjáluð þegar komu öll aukahljóðin í það. Já. Halda gestmununum í lagi. At least now the pedal is not clicking like before. A little tighter to make it. I think it will work like this, but I have to talk to the piano tuner who is regularly tuning this to find out why it is like this, why he hasn't been repairing this. We leave it like this to take some spare parts and everything with me to fix a lot of things here inside, but now I know how it's working. Okay, I leave it like this. Thank you for watching. I'll do something new and see you later. Bye bye.